So you actually want to make money on YouTube and you want to actually go into a business and you don't really know how to do it. So let me tell you in today's video. So there are 5 primary ways you can actually make your money on YouTube. And if you're on our web, remember to actually take notes in today's video. And without further ado, let's go. So this is in no particular order, but starting from number 5 is definitely going to be Google AdSense or YouTube monetization. It's one of the same thing. So Google AdSense / YouTube monetization is essentially where businesses put their ads on your YouTube videos, like the ones you see at the start and the end of the video, and sometimes in between the video. And for every person who actually clicks on that ad or even just views the ad, the creator gets a percentage, and this can differentiate between niches, such as the finance niche, which is a very high CPM, which is cost per mile or cost per million, which is every 1,000 views, you get a percentage of whatever you just made. So finance niche is definitely up there, and the low CPM niche is such as the gaming niche. So the finance niche can be anything between $10 to $50 on your CPM, and the gaming niche can be as low as 10 cents to $3 for your CPM. As you can see, it's a very drastic difference, but also depends on the amount of views that you're pulling in each and every single week. Now, that's to be applied for the monetization program. You need 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours. Now, the best way to accomplish this is essentially posting consistently every single week, whether it be 1 time or 2 to 3 times per week. If more, the better, but everyone has their own time commitments. And another good way to rack up views to gain more subscribers to potentially get those subscribers to watch your long-form videos is to create YouTube Shorts, which is essentially like Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. And you can easily create these in Adobe Premiere or just use the email app like TikTok and Instagram has. And on here, you just do it via the YouTube app, which allows you to create a short super easily. It literally takes 2-3 minutes, and editing depends how in depth you do it. Maybe 5 minutes. With short, I recommend trying to post at least one every single day. You can batch up all in one day for a whole week, and you can schedule one a day throughout the entire week. But remember, with YouTube Shorts, it does not count towards watch time. However, it definitely gets you subscribers and more views. So you can leverage that into your long form content to get even more watch hours. So number 4 would actually be affiliate marketing, and there's a variety of ways you can actually be doing this. A few different ways is Amazon Associates. Nearly everyone knows what Amazon Associates is. It's pretty much where you recommend a link, and you go to Amazon Associates, grab that link. Let's say it's for these pair of headphones or whatever it is, and what you do is say, hey, these are really dope headphones. If you want to go check them out, then click on the Amazon link below. It's an affiliate, and let's say this is $100. You'll maybe get $5 every single sale that you actually make. And if you multiply that by how many views you're making, so let's say for example your video actually makes 100,000 views and only 1% of people buy a $100 pair of headphones, you get 5% of those $100 headphones, that means you get $5 per headphone. So that would essentially mean that 1% of 100,000, which is 1,000, and that is 5%. They are buying the $100 pair of headphones, and you get a 5% commission, so that's $5. And if 1,000 people bought it, that is $5,000 that you've just generated for yourself. And you can multiply this by doing it in different styles of videos and promoting on things such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, or a blog or your own website if you do have one. And you can also be promoting other affiliate products such as ClickBank or Digistore24 products, CJ Affiliate, Share Sale. There are many other affiliate marketing websites or software that you can be using to generate higher sales, which is definitely ones like ClickBank and Digistore24. It might be a lower percentage of conversion, but that's a video for another time. If you want to check out those types of videos, then I would recommend you check out our channel called Google Adsense, which is talking about all about business and personal branding. If you can actually hear the rain, I'm sorry.
As you can see, it's pretty wet right now.
Or if you want a really in-depth video about affiliate marketing, then definitely comment down below the word affiliate marketing, and either I can teach you or I can make a dedicated video. And if you feel like you need help, then I'm definitely out there for you. So for coaching, you can also comment below coaching as well if you are interested in that. So number 3 will be selling merchandise, so such as shirts, hats, beanies, or even stuff like that. Now, how do you actually do this? The best way to do it, I recommend, is definitely through Etsy, Teespring, which is integrated with YouTube, and creating designs there, and pretty much saying, if you want to pick up this t-shirt by, let's say, BlazeTube, then you can check out the Teespring link below, and you can get 10% off. That's pretty much how you promote it. Obviously, you have to go into more depth of creating product and promoting it. But if you go to Teespring, which I will leave the link below, then you can definitely check out how to do that yourself, or you can check out our videos on YouTube about how to make Teespring into a profitable business, or some blog articles. So number 2 is sponsorship. Now this can be a little bit hard to get into, especially at the start. However, once you've got past the initial phase of not being monetized, then becoming monetized and having a personal brand, so it's showing your face pretty much on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all those platforms. Pretty much you will have companies reaching out to you, or maybe small companies that are startup, or very, very big companies. I've seen people sponsored by Aston Martin, which is a luxury car brand for sports cars, and they're literally being given the privilege of driving Aston Martin, which is what I think is pretty cool. One day, I hope to get this personal brand up to that level, and maybe not drive an Aston Martin, but definitely drive something like a Porsche 911, and get my tech channel to a point where I can actually get sponsors, such as HyperX or Logitech, so products I can actually review for. If you want to check out my tech channel, I will just link it here. We just got past 200 subscribers to that, and essentially the way you get sponsorship is either companies will reach out to you and they can just do this via email, or you can do, if you really, really want to work with a company, such as Red Bull, for example, you can send Red Bull a email, hey, I'm really interested in the product, I use it every single day, and I just really like the chance to work with you, and you can link them to all your social media, such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and this way, if I want to work with you, then you have a chance of actually working with them because you've taken your time to reach out to them. It's not going to work every single time, but there's a chance if you really want to work with a company, however, they've not reached out to you. The number one way to make money on YouTube is through actually selling your own product. Now, this can be such as online courses or different coaching programs, and you can actually do this through multiple ways in multiple different niches. So for my example, I can teach people how to grow on YouTube. I can one day create an online course and sell that to people, or I can have a high ticket item and sell actual one-on-one coaching, which I also do. You can come on board coaching if you are building a good YouTube channel, but you don't actually have to just teach YouTube. You could teach people how to get more fit for summer. You can teach people how to lose weight. You can teach people how to do makeup. You can take care of, you can teach people how to do personal finances. You can literally go and teach people how to meditate or manifest the life that they want. And there are tons and tons of different things you can actually coach people on, as well as sell online courses for either Kajabi, or you can do something like Skillshare and actually promote your program on Skillshare. And that's going to be the top 5 ways you can actually make money on YouTube. If you want any other specific videos, comment them down below. But other than that, I'm going to check out another video. And other than that, I see you guys in the next